Happy Mother's Day, crafters! This is Suzanne with Cat Scrappiness, and I am here today to show you who the winner is for the awesome Cat Scrappiness house die. Before I forget to mention, Cat Scrappiness is also having a Mother's Day sale. 15% off site-wide with the code LOVEMOMS. The sale will last until May 9th. So go and check out all her awesome goodies in her store. She has things already marked down at an additional 15%. And she also carries some other brands beyond Cat Scrappiness, so you can shop around. Maybe there's something that you've been wanting for a while, and there you can add an extra 15% off. Happy shopping. Alrighty, let's continue now with picking the winner. And this person is a frequent viewer and commenter on my channel. So I hope when you get this, you enjoy playing. You can make your summer house. You can make your winter house. Yes, there is that Halloween add-on too, so you could do the Halloween house for sure. Alrighty, let's go into that random picker and let's see who the winner is. It's time to pick that winner. So here we are on the random wheel. Let's have some fun. Let's go. The winner for the house is Gail Banks Creates. Congratulations, Gail Banks Creates. Yay! You are the winner. Below in this video, I will put my email address. Please send me your mailing address and I will get it out to you this week. I also picked 2 alternates just in case Gail doesn't answer in time. Gail, I'm going to give you, today is Sunday. I'll give you until next Sunday to reply. After that, then I'll go into the next winner. I know you're going to reply because you watch all my videos. So thank you for being a subscriber and commenting all the time. And you are going to enjoy this Cat Scrappiness house goodness. Alrighty, crafters, enjoy your Mother's Day. I'll be showing a Cat Scrappiness video in the coming week too. More on that cute embossing technique with stencils. Alrighty, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.